Hi viewers, today I am showing to my product Tokyosat Rechargeable Emergency Light. So this is a branded light, emergency light for you. Have in two colors, red and black. So and this have we show the packing. See how is a perfect packing, safe. First we see what's have inside. So we open this one. See, this is a free gift from the company Tokyosat. Have charging cable 10 in 1. Charging cable 10 in 1, 10 cables you can charge. Oh, this is our black color Tokyosat rechargeable emergency light. Have two LED light, have two bulb here upside also. And what more? This is, see, solar panel. So first we start and see the warranty card also have inside, and what can you use this one feature also. You can use the bill and warranty card also all here. So first we see here in short time what feature have inside. So first of all we check here, remove this tape. See, this is first we see the bulb red color. When you charge this one, this is become red. Okay, here two option. In here two option have, one is the yellow color light and second one is the white color light. And downstairs have two feature also. This is LED light on, LED. Okay, and this is the tube light on. So have also two feature have here. Come we see here what is have here. Now this is a USB charger, so you can charge your mobile phone. So this one, this is for your power bank also. You can use this one as your power bank. See, I charging my mobile phone. See, this is Samsung, so I want charge. See, start charging. So you can use Motorola, Nokia, Samsung, iPhone, Nokia different models, and Sony Ericsson, so many models you can charge by this cable. So, and this is how we show to you. Oh, you're asking me where's the power cable for charging? Yeah, have inside. See, look, easy to open, push and close. Wow, this is a cable. Open this one and put inside again. If you want to hang on wall, can have inside this place. So you put on the wall like this easily. So after that you make on the automatic on off also. So when light go, this one become automatically on. So you can set automatically on off also option have here. So let me see what inside the solar panel. See the solar panel, big solar panel, and big cable also. See, I think more than 3 meter this charger, this cable is more big, so you can hang outside the wall or near the sunlight, put there easily. And then see the instruction of solar panel. So you can put on the wall and easily you put here also. And this is the place of charging. So easily you can charge. So this is about, we check about the all in Tokyosat rechargeable emergency light. So you featured also are have how you charge, how you replace, how you use this one, how you on the automatic system. So all you can see here easily. Tokyosat rechargeable emergency light you see here, And also you can see the features and description in Arabic also language. Have two language have inside. You can see the place, you can see the arrangement and model number. You can see here easily. And this one also mentioned here, Tokyosat emergency light. So this tape for the security purpose here we put again. So this is our system all. So have two color, black color and brown color. So if you like this video, please subscribe our channel and click our bell button. Okay, bye for our next video.